This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Steve Owen II. Great starter home with ideal, in-town location. This adorable one-story offers 2025 roof, 2-bed/2 bath/2 cinnagrams with great room design and split floor plan. Vaulted ceilings and spacious bedrooms make this home perfectly suited for first-time homebuyer or retiree desiring a manageable home and freedom. Generous size Florida room works well as a den/study or with sleeper sofa could accommodate overflow guests. Fully fenced rear yard with plenty of space to relax or entertain guests plus double gates on each side to store RV/boat/trailer. No HOA and no flood zone either. Shed not included but negotiable. For more information, review the details below or contact Steve Owen II at 772-473-0828.